Hi, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to create a WordPress plugin that can help us to create a puzzle effect where we can hide like a show a coupon code, but we don't want to show something instantly. We just want to play it out with the user so user can puzzle the question, puzzle out the question or maybe the answer or maybe something else, whatever you want to hide between that puzzle. So that we what we are going to create today. Okay, so here I have the first fresh WordPress installed. There is nothing in it. It's a fresh blank WordPress installed here. So let's hit Claude and try to write it out. So I want to create a WordPress plugin where I can hide a section behind the puzzle and user need to solve the puzzle to know what's behind. Okay, so that's sorted out. Make sure it's engaging and efficient. And I also want the plugin to be fully secure. Okay, so security is biggest. So also, if you can add something to improve, then go ahead. Okay, so it's creating a plugin. So let's just wait and let's see how it can render down. Hi, welcome back. So here we have the plugin created. Okay, let's download this Puzzle Gate plugin and open the downloads, open the plugin file, copy the folder, go to our project, WP content, plugins, and hit paste. Now go back to the WordPress admin panel, go back to the plugins, and try to activate that plugin. Okay, so here we have that. Let's activate this. It's perfectly fine. Let's refresh it. Nothing works here. Okay, we do have here options here, puzzle gate. Let's see what do we have here. Okay, we can add example images and we can do this, we can do that as well. Okay, slide titles, randoms, and that's it. Okay, let's open the sample page and try to wrap this up. Let's add it there. And okay, let's try to check this out. Okay, let's create a block. Okay, I need to update that plugin. Create a block version as well. Okay, so let's try this out. Let's use this one. Use the shortcode, paste this, save it, open the page. Okay, here we have that puzzle gate basically for you because you can edit. Well done. Here is the download link. Okay, it looks perfectly fine, but I don't see any option here. Let's use this one, and I need an image. WordPress image. Go back to images and try to get an image from there. I believe use this one. Right click, open image in new tab, copy everything, go back to our page, and replace the path with this. And I need to, okay, looks good. Save it, and now refresh it. Looks perfectly fine. Let's use this in incognito mode. so we can see it. Okay, so we can see the log section. Here we are not going to see because we are in a admin panel. So admin panel automatically bypasses this option. So let's open the log. Here we have that. We need to like open this. Okay, it's pretty tough. I must say this. Okay, it's actually tough. I'm not quite sure that people are going to solve this at all. But yeah, it has an option. Let's see what we can build with that. Okay, looks pretty well. Fine. Let's try the second one. What about this one? Create a new shortcut. Paste here, and I want to try the last one as well. This one. Add a new block. Open it as a block. Add a shortcode. Paste. Simple. Save it. Go back to the incognito mode. Okay, here we have that log section. So it's what has keys but no locks. Nice. Key. Okay, now keep going. And what would be the answer? The piano. Okay, looks pretty tough. Try this one. What comes next? Okay, it's a challenging one. So let's see if we can get it right. Perfectly fine. So this time, so this is how we can play this out. We can definitely give it a go. It's an interesting option that we can add in our website. So although it's not a good option to add an image option because it's pretty hard. So I think so. We can add a simple questions with simple answers to solve this out, and we can use this math sequence as well. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's still creating. Let's give it a go so we can check it out and if the block version works very well with the shortcode one as or not. Okay, let's back. Let's download this plugin as well and try to check if the block version works fine or not. Let's open this, open the folder, copy everything. Let's go back to plugin, open everything, delete everything, and simple paste. Okay, so it looks fine. Let's go back to the admin panel and hit refresh. Okay, looks pretty fine to me. Let's search for puzzle. I'm still not seeing it. What is happening? Okay, change the shortcode version to string, bypass, blocks, WP I'm not seeing it. Okay, read. Let's open this. Install the plugin gate and settings puzzle gate to configure. Do we have here something else? Okay, we do have results here as well. Pretty good. Wrong answer, slides, random questions, number sequence. Okay, let's see what we have. It's a block in the editor. Insert puzzle gate, design category, or type puzzle. Okay, I'm not seeing it. Okay, let me just refresh this. Maybe this is the reason that we are not going to see the block version. Let's hit enter, search for the puzzle. Yeah, here we have that puzzle gate. Simple click on that. We can add like a heading, puzzle, and try to save it. And what would we have here? It's a sliding tiles, riddle questions. We can add what's the name of? WD. Sorry, full form of WT. Let's accept answer. WordPress. I don't need a hint. Let's add a word. Copy this. Open in incognito mode. Let's try one more time. Okay. What is the full form of Word WP? WordPress. Hit enter and looks perfectly fine. So here we have the plugin successfully created. Everything is working as we want. Okay. So let's wrap this up. So here in this video, we have learned how we can create a puzzle type of effect where we can hide some content, but with the interactive way. Okay. So like here you can see the members only on section where you can add some questions. You can add an image option as well, or you can add some random general questions like a general. Okay. So this is it. So if you want this, you can download this from my GitHub repository. I will paste the link in the video description so you can download it easily. And if you want, you can follow along and create something on your own that suits with the project that you are currently working on it. Okay, it's always a better choice. Whatever you feel good for yourself. Okay. Okay. So if you have any doubts, any question, any suggestions, you can always comment it out on the video. I will try to get back to you as soon as you possible. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead and see you in the next video. Bye bye.